Morning, this is Steve Matomato from Emprise Quest event, and we are here at Abai Lodges, or locals call it Abai Lodges, in Kagio in central Kenya. So we are getting ready for Kisaju Investments Limited staff team building, and it's at the end of the year, but they are doing it in January. They are just closing year 2021 and looking forward to a greater 2022. So we are looking forward to a great day for team buildings, and the main focus is that aspect of teamwork, communicating, learning, and above it all, having fun and enjoying the day.
Continue circle. Number 6, you do what? Number 24? 1956. So any lesson you can be able to extract from that very simple activity. Any lesson? Lesson yote umesoma? Yes.
There is difference of listening and hearing.
Difference of listening and? Yeah. Clap for him. Good. Someone else? Learn to be a good listener. Still, reduce hearing, increase more listening. Clap. Stamp your feet. Good. Someone else? Yes, sir. Being attentive. Still, and that's what I require from for today. For you to be attentive. Clap. Yes.
Following instructions from the right sources.
Following instructions from the right sources. And leo tutashida today we'll be living in a world of instructions. Zile instructions tutakuwa tukipeana zitakuwa ni mingi sana. And lack of instruction, we move on to the next activity. Where's Matmato? Are you ready kuona maajabu ya Musa Firauni na Matmato? Uko tayari? Uko tayari? Let's go Mato! 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 So let's go Ma! Ma! Mato! Mato! want you to be that animal that is chosen. Ile mnyama. Ngoja. Ile sauti inatoa ile kitu yenye tunajuanga, tukiona tunajua hii ni teammate aje local. So are you ready? Let's go. Yani, vivo. Clap. Good. Mouse inauma aje. Clap one. Yeah. Clap one. Yes. Oh. Good. Yes. Goja. Na sasa tuende kwa Kisaju. Kisaju ikikosa kufikisha namba, mnakosa kufikisha sio Mwangi, sio Mwai, sio Philip, sio? Mnakosa kufikisha as a team. Kwa hiyo kitu yote inaku affect wewe as an individual na wewe as a part of the team. Sawa? Mkiwin, mkifikisha target, mna win pamoja as a team. And that's what I want tusome leo. Sio? Ukumbuke you are part of a team. Hiyo ndio kitu yenye nataka tupeleke nyumbani. So if you win together as a team. If you lose together as a team. Na nikiwaambia watu waangalie hii con. Kuna mtu ataona ni ya red, kuna mtu ataona imeshapewa kama pyramid and so many other things. So tunaangalianga vitu tofauti. And that's what makes us to enjoy ourselves as human being. Kwa sababu tukiweza ona sisi wote ni ya blue, kuna mtu mwingine atakosa kuona asate inango. Ama ni aje Mattie? Yes, ndio. What's the team name? Nice. What's your team name? Nice. What's your team name? Bravo. 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 So Kisaju.
Ongea Godoma, primary school, wabereria Nazare, ongea mwalimu, sea legate, wiore dirisha, amnegwako, kimera desi my heart, kimera desi my heart, kimera desi my heart.
Unafika hizi namba tuna? Naona. Hakuna kufika namba hivi. Haya, good. Ini ya nani? So Kisaju. Let me have 234. Any other lesson from this team?
Lazima tukuwe na strategy.
Lazima mkuwe na strategy. Ni sasa. So na whatever strategy mna come up nayo, you stick to it. Fantastic. This team, this. Any moment. Ready. And it's good not to miss anything. Right together. Imagine them saying yako at ready to building with all these lessons that you are learning. So it's always being ready na being there at the moment. Kuna time namba gani alikuwa na chukua call? Number 2 alienda kuchukua call but haikuwa complete without the number 2.
Lessons tunaweza tumwa hapo. What are the lessons that you've learned from that specifically this activity? Jambo la kwanza. Yes. We all depend on each other. A very important lesson. Yeah, imechomoka wapi hiyo lesson? Sana. Yeah, good. At the end of the day, mtu wa mwisho akiamua kuome nayo akaivi. Unaweza enda pahali? Ama akwe suicide waseme mimi wacha nizame. Kwanza napenda maji. Amue yeye anajua kuogelea, apite hivi, apite na huku nyuma, apite hivi. Mtaendelea? Hapana. So it's not selfish ambitions, it is about a team. So no, they say that there is no letter I in team.
Jump 1, 2, 3, 1, 4.
First, tumelearn, tumeinteract, tumesocialize, tumejuana si wote. Kuna wale wengi wako wanajuana but tumejuana as Kisaju family. Then it was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
It will continue to be fun. So clap. Snap your feet. Snap your finger. Snap your finger. Clap. 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 Stamp your feet.
Hi everyone, my name is Elijah Gitao. I'm the manager Kisaju. Today we had a very fantastic session with Matomato as a brand name. Right from morning, 7 in the morning, we've enjoyed a lot. We've had fun, we've had teamwork sessions, fun sessions, and more so we've learned a lot as a corporate company. With all the people in the team, right from the lowest level in the organogram up to the topmost, we've had a fantastic time. I would like to commend you all who also made that session to to be a success. More fun and off the office. The whole year we've had several meetings, several job sessions, and at times we even not have time for ourselves. It is a good time that we had. We enjoyed out of our offices. We had game times, team building, we engaged interpersonal relations, even with the people that I myself have not had a time to engage. I would say thank you very much. And at any one point you want to have such a session, I tell you, mato kiboko yao.
Let me tell you, that was a good day, and we thank God because the day was great. We had an amazing team building. As you can see, energy that is reserved is for me to travel back. But the day was great. We had an amazing fun. We had an amazing activities, from fun, from teamwork, from communicating, from learning about emotional intelligence, learning about weaknesses and strengths of your team members. It was just amazing. And one thing I request from you guys is I have a YouTube channel. It's called Steve Matomato. Go there, subscribe, like and share these activities that you are doing. We'll be trying to share as much as possible so that you can be able to enjoy. So thank you, Kisaju management, for inviting us to come and facilitate your day. The day was fun. We've enjoyed. Yeah, and I hope you, the guys have really enjoyed. We have laughed, we have jumped, everything that involves in building. It was great. So thank you so very much, and thank you for watching this video. And we are looking forward to sharing many more travel vlogs, team building videos, and tutorials on how, on those aspects of leadership, teamwork, all those we'll be sharing. Thank you. Have a great day.